Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1964 Cadillac DeVille Convertible. Super rare, triple black. Brand new tires, shocks. It's loaded too. Let's see, power steering, power brakes, Centennial headlights, air conditioning. Runs and drives great. Super straight body. Very, very original. Except for one repaint. Aluminum radiator, which is a nice add too. Brakes were done. Such a nice big cruiser. Runs real nice. Owner just came back from like a 150-mile trip. It's all dialed in. Very original interior. These cars come loaded. Power seat, power windows, tilt wheel. Showing 13,300 miles. I'm sure it's 113. Automatic dimming lights. Washer. Centennial. Power top. It's got a custom stereo in it. Real nice dash. There's one little crack right there. Power top looks great. Just gonna pause you for a second while I open the hood.